Hey there, Google Docs newbies! Welcome to your quick guide on unlocking the full potential of Google Docs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get more efficient, these 8 essential tips are gonna transform how you use Google Docs. Let's dive in. First up, tip number 1, show word count while typing. If you need to keep an eye on your word count, you can enable a live word counter. Just go to the Tools tab, select Word Count, and check Display Word Count while typing. A small count display will appear in the bottom left corner, helping you stay on track without interrupting your workflow. If you find this a hassle to enable each time, try the Word Counter Max add-on. Next, tip 2, paste without formatting and clear formatting. Have you ever copied something from the web only to have it mess up your document's formatting? Use Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or Command+Shift+V on Mac to paste text without formatting. And if you need to clear existing formatting, highlight the text, go to Format, and select Clear Formatting. Quick and easy. Tip 3. Adjust formatting for all matching text. Sometimes you need to change multiple instances of a specific style. Highlight the text, right-click, and select All Matching Text. Now you can make your changes, and Google Docs will update all instances for you. Now let's break up the routine with tip 4. Try voice typing. Feeling tired of typing? Head to the Tools menu and select Voice Typing. Just start speaking, and Google Docs will transcribe your words into text. It's perfect for giving your hands a break. Just remember to proofread afterward. Tip 5. Go full screen to minimize distractions. Need a clutter-free workspace? Go to the View menu and select Full Screen. This mode hides all unnecessary elements, allowing you to focus solely on your content. Press the Escape key to return to the normal view. On to tip 6. Learn handy shortcuts. Shortcuts can make your workflow faster and more efficient. Bold text with Ctrl+B, italicize with Ctrl+I, and insert a hyperlink with Ctrl+K. Check out the Help menu under Keyboard Shortcuts for a complete list. Tip 7. Find menu options by typing in the search bar. Struggling to find a feature? Use the search bar in the top left corner or press Alt+/ on Windows or Option+/ on Mac. Type in keywords like word count or table and relevant options will pop up. Lastly, tip 8. Enhance your writing with add-ons. Google Docs supports a variety of third-party add-ons to boost your productivity. Try out Word Count Max, Doc Secrets, Pro Writing Aid, OneLook Thesaurus, Paperpile, or GPT plus Docs. To install add-ons, go to the Extensions menu, select Add-ons, get add-ons, and find the tool you need. Be cautious of any add-ons requesting sensitive data. That's it! These 8 tips will help you master Google Docs like a pro. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and start exploring more features to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching.